Hi guys, it's me Sumiko. Sa video na ito, samahan niyo ako at ipapasyal ko kayo sa The Shire of Sagada na matatagpuan sa Patay, Sagada, Philippines. The Shire of Sagada was inspired from the movie The Lord of the Rings. And yes, isa itong Hobbit house. At meron itong 6 rooms, 3 family rooms and 3 couple rooms. Ang family rooms ay may 1 queen size bed and 1 double bed, while ang couple rooms ay may 1 queen size bed. Lahat ng rooms ay may free towels, private toilet, hot and cold shower, and only refill of mineral water. Coffee is free din pala dito, and some rooms ay may hair dryer din pala. The accommodation serve free breakfast and have a variety food like itag pasta. They also serve lunch and dinner. What's the best with the accommodation is the view of the sea of clouds and amazing sunrise. So guys, ano pang hinihintay natin? Tara, samahan niyo ako at ipapasyal ko kayo sa loob ng The Shire of Sagada. So another room ulit to. Ito sa baba. Ito yung entrance. And ang kanilang reception. Ayan. So meron sila ditong massage room. So, tanungin na lang natin mamaya kung magkano. Ang kanilang reception area. Itong kanilang restaurant. Ito naman ang kanilang cafe. Ayan, maluwang yung balcony nyo guys. So, pwede kayo tumambay dito. Ito nga pala yung kinuha naming room guys, ang Legolas. Dito sa room na to, meron kayong ditong area kung saan pwede kayong magkape, kumain ng breakfast, at magbasa ng books. So guys, pagpasok nyo dito, bubungad kagad sa inyo ang inyong double size bed. Ayan. Napakaganda dito. Ayan. And then, meron din tayong smart TV. And may wifi nga rin pala dito guys. At sobrang lakas ng wifi nila. So dito naman, meron tayong electric fan. Meron tayong cabinet, mirror. Sa left side, dito ang ating mini refrigerator. Meron din tayo ditong coffee cup, water, coffee machine, electric kettle. Meron din kayo ditong space for work. So may working area kayo dito. And the windows view. Ayan. Ang laman naman ng cabinet, andito ang inyong mga face towel. Ayan, towels. And sa right side, andito ang ating CR. Silipin natin ang CR nila guys. Ayan. So, toilet. And sa right side ay ang shower. Ganda na sila ditong hot shower. Kasi malamig dito. Ngayon pa lang, 2 PM ng hapon, sobrang lamig. Ayan. Malinis ang kanilang CR. Labas natin ng room natin dito sa may left side. Meron ditong fireplace. So ito yung mga ibang room. Hindi natin mapasok kasi may mga naka-check-in. Then another room. another room. So dito sa labas, pwede kayo dito tumambay while drinking your coffee.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, oh you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Order in a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart.
Guys, samahan nyo muna ako magpamassage. Papamassage tayo. Yung bayad nga pala ng massage dito is 1,000 pesos. Pwede kayo magpa-schedule until 5 PM. Then yung massage until 8 PM. Dinner natin ngayong gabi, rice, sinigang na hipon, chicken, then fries. Chill lang dito guys, oh. Ito lang ng vibes. Guys, malapit lang pala ang The Shire of Sagada sa Town's Municipal Hall. It is only a 15 minutes walk or less than a kilometer reaching the place. Kaya nag-decide muna kami ni Jean na lumabas at maglakad-lakad. And there's a lot of good place nga pala and restaurant also near the Shire of Sagada na pwede nyong kainan. Like, guys, dito tayo ngayon sa The Log Cabin. Dito tayo para tikman yung etag nila dahil dami nagsasabi na masarap daw yung etag nila dito. And if you're looking for place to drink, pwede nyo rin puntahan ang The Cellar Door, 10 minutes away from the Shire of Sagada. Ganda dito guys.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you.
Guys, ito yung in-order natin sa umaga. Yung breakfast nga pala dito is free. Order tayo ng hot chocolate. Watermelon, spam, egg, rice, and omelette. Tara, kain muna tayo.
The world around could pass us by. Thunder a storm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden.
Guys, tikman natin itong chocolate ng Sagada.
You're the leaves in mid-August.
Sarap. Puro yung chocolate nila. And guys, sa mga gustong mag-book, you can message their official Facebook page, The Shire of Sagada, at isesend nila sa inyo yung official website nila for booking. May kita nyo na din doon ang room prices.